Commercial real estate investors, we're on the precipice of some major movements in the multifamily industry. Essentially a hydrogen bomb of loan maturities. A major wall is coming starting in October and extending throughout 2024 and early 2025. In fact, $1.9 trillion of multifamily debt will mature in an environment where cap rates have expanded, which means values have gone down, growth has slowed, expenses have increased, and there are dozens, if not hundreds, of borrowers and owners that are in positions where they may need to put cash back into their properties or hand that back over to the bank. That creates an environment where we may see some volume, transaction activity, price discovery, and hopefully major, incredible opportunities for multifamily investors that are not sunk saving their poorly financed projects. Now, the Great Capital team, we've been tracking this story throughout the year. We released a research report in June detailing much of what's going to happen over the next 6 to 9 months. We've released an updated report that you can find at greatcapitalllc.com/report. But more importantly than the report itself, we're hosting a webinar on October 12th at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. for our friends on the West Coast, going into detail of everything that's in this report, but going a couple layers deep, going into some of our sources, the backstory, some real-time examples of foreclosures and distress that's already taking place in the market right now. So you're not going to want to miss this webinar. Certainly we'll be covering multiple aspects and angles, looking at the multifamily market, commercial real estate. So mark your calendars. Again, October 12th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. on the West Coast. It's going to be a great webinar. Make sure you're there. We'll see you on the webinar.